Supply Corporation, please. No one here. Doctor, please. Registrar of the Afro-Asian Institute of Medical Sciences, Lahore. Thank you, sir. Thank you, Doctor. Special Pioneer Award 2003. We request Professor Hadi Buhari, General Secretary of Afro-Asian Society of Radiology, Dubai, to present Pioneer Award 2003, a gold medal to Dr. Syed Ahmed Gilani, who introduced musculoskeletal ultrasound in Pakistan in 1998. He arranged many musculoskeletal ultrasound workshops, courses and conferences in Pakistan and in 22 countries of Asia and Africa. Dr. Gilani is the only author in the region who has written a book on this modality. He has also arranged many programs for public awareness about this modality. In appreciation of his services for this modality, in the region of Africa and Asia, AASR Pioneer Award Committee announces Pioneer Award 2003, a gold medal to the Dr. Syed Ahmed Gilani.
There is another award, Pioneer Award 2004, and this award goes to Professor Dr. Safdar Ali Malik. Professor Dr. Safdar Ali Malik is Head of Radiology Department at Gagaram Hospital and Fatima Memorial Hospital. He has introduced 4D ultrasound few months back in Pakistan. In recognition to his services and introducing new technology in Pakistan, Professor is awarded this one. Thank you so much. Now I'll request Dr. Ahmed Gilani to please come on stage for the closing remarks. Thank you.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Sorry for the delay. It was some of the delay was from the participants because they arrived 40 minutes late, and we started 40 minutes late, and we have spent only 20 minutes in addition to that. On behalf of Organizing Committee of Ultrasound Lahore 2004, I am thankful to you for your participation in all events. I am thankful to Afro-Asian Society of Radiology, which is based in Dubai and Iran, who approved all these events of 4 days to provide us continuous medical education credits. We assure them that we will try our best to meet the standards established by their CME committee. We are also thankful to the International Certification and Accreditation Foundation, ICEF USA, for accrediting all events of these 4 days equal to Category 1 CME credits provided by the American Continuous Medical Education Council. If you are ICEF certified, can present these CME credits for maintenance of your ICEF certification, or if you are a radiologist, you are Diplomat American Board of Radiology, you can present all these certificates. Our institute has pioneered many new trends in ultrasound in Afro-Asia, especially in Pakistan. Now we have collaborated programs with many world-renowned universities in USA, Australia, Switzerland, Sudan, Iran, and now we have signed an agreement with Saudi Arabian Higher Ministry of Education. Honestly speaking, it would not be possible to arrange such big events in these 5 years without your support and cooperation. We really needed your encouragement, which you provided to us. I am thankful to those who appreciated and those who criticized our efforts, as both approaches and responses are essential to keep a thing growing. I am thankful to all guest speakers from friendly countries who accepted our invitation and travelled all the way to Lahore to share the knowledge with us. The organizing committee is always a front force. Without their support and devotion, one cannot arrange any event. Support from sponsoring companies need to be appreciated. They are always encouraging us for continuous medical education programs. Thanks to my family and my 3 daughters, my 5 sisters, the ladies who all are behind me. And you might have heard that behind a successful person there is a lady. So I have got not nearly 9 ladies behind me. I have no words to thank my father who prayed at each and every step of my life. Yes, he is the man behind me. I pray for his long, healthy life. My thanks to respected friend and senior Professor Safdar Ali Malik for his valuable suggestions in making this event a success. He is really a man who is expert and who is the real pillar of ultrasound in Punjab. My words will be meaningless if I don't thank and appreciate my friend and my senior Dr. Musarrat Hassan from Karachi, who spent whole of his life in upgrading the standards of ultrasound in Pakistan. In honor of his efforts, we are going to name our lecture hall in our institute as Musarrat Hassan Ultrasound Lecture Hall. And we are going to announce Musarrat Hassan Ultrasound Scholarships for Switzerland and for America, 2 scholarships every year. I love his style and have learned a lot from him. He is a great teacher who is still keen to learn newest trends in ultrasound. I wish to follow his footsteps in learning ultrasound. Friends like Dr. Nasir Hamid, Dr. Mazhar Mushtaq, Dr. Muhammad Nawaz Virk, Dr. Nazia Fazal, Dr. Durre Sabi, Dr. Fazilul Zama, Dr. Ijaz Malik, Dr. Zahid Pasha are always needed to polish your efforts. Thanks to all of them. Dr. Nasir Hamid has proved to be the best friend, a friend who is better than a brother. My staff, especially Professor Riaz Hamdani, Dr. Tokir Abbasi, Dr. Nazia Fazal, Dr. Naveed Asad, Dr. Sajid, Dr. Shahnaz Yasmeen, Sayyid Ishfaq Gilani, Sayyid Riaz Gilani, Ishfaq Abbasi and Suman Chaudhary are thanked for their hard work and support. I would like to thank you all for your support. I love you all because you love ultrasound. Thank you very much. Now the lunch is ready. The ladies will be invited on the right side and males will be invited on the left side. Lunch is enough for you, but the space is a little bit lesser. So please take care of your clothes.